On behalf of myFutureNC, congratulations to the Volt Center at Craven Community College on being named a 2025 Champion for Attainment. The Volt Center in New Bern, North Carolina is a state-of-the-art workforce development training hub offering hands-on training in trades like construction, electrical, HVAC, and welding. Transformed from a 1947 power plant through community partnerships, it focuses on serving underserved populations, and it's prepared 4,425 completers since 2019, creating a strong local workforce pipeline.
One of the things that I think that has really made the Volt Center such a success here is the connection of the dots from the actual training to getting to the employers so that those students have the opportunity to get a great job starting off with some great income.
You get the skills that you need and you get out into the work field in the trades. And if you hustle, you show up every day, you learn under a mentor, in 3 to 5 years, you can really make some good money.
For the students that are coming out of high school that want to get into a career, my biggest thing to tell them is if you get into a trade, any trade, you can have a job pretty much anywhere in the world at any time.
It just started the fire for me. It was a really good introduction to basically what the trade is, how to approach it and everything like that. And it started my deep dive into furthering the education.
We spent a great deal of time working with individual employers and finding out their specific needs for training. Then working with them as they donated equipment to the college, which means not only do our students train on state-of-the-art equipment, it's also going to be the same equipment that they'll be using on the job.
The Volt Center is a really special place. It is a place where students come to learn. We gave equipment that we use in our factory, and we are allowing students to practice and to learn and to understand what it's like. I am super excited to see students who can graduate high school, come to the Volt Center, learn a trade, find a foundation where they can live and they can work and stay here in New Bern.